Hi there. Today in this session I will demonstrate how to use access modifier in your Java program, so let's get started. You can see that I have not kept any access modifier in front of class, in front of data members, but I kept in front of accept details and display details, even though if I remove the access modifiers from these two places, and I will be able to run my program as of now as well. Here you can see that the moment I run this program, I just need to save on it Shreya and D. What I mean to say that, as I said, access modifier is by default. Default has an accessibility within the package anywhere. I wanted to keep my data members private. The moment I will say private, although I will not get any error, you can see that I'm not keeping the student's ages private when I will go into any other class. Let's say this is the student class, and right now I'm here in this class. Sysout, and here I say that student. You can see that you cannot access the student in name, but you can access the age because age is default within the package. It's available anyway. If I don't want to allow them from outside the class definition, I can keep it private, so it will give me the error message that it cannot be accessed because the scope is outside. Here's something what we can tell about private. If you will see that the class and object, a class is public because this is having a main method, and John will load this classes and objects example class into the John, we'll call the main method and then execute it for the compilation. That's what it has to be made. Otherwise, if you have different folders, you can keep the different folders and shift this class to the public, and you need to change such ruling class to the public so that you can access it. Protected is something to be used in the case of inheritance. If we have one parent class and one child class, I just want to allow the members to be accessible in the child class only, not anywhere else. I can use protected. I will talk about that concept later in my upcoming session in the case of implementing inheritance. See you in the next session. Until next time, stay tuned. Thank you.